Hi everybody, my name is Doug and I'm the Director of Events with FMCA. This is Barb Filer, she's the Events Manager. Barb, say hi to everybody.
Hello, hi.
We're here to talk a little bit about the Minot Magic 100 Times the Fun Convention, which will be August 14 through 17, 2019 in Minot, North Dakota. Many of you probably have already registered. There's probably some who are watching this who haven't. We encourage you to get signed up. I can't tell you, the folks in Minot are super excited to having us this summer. We were there in 2005 and in 1995, and they're ready for us to come back. They're really anxious to show off their city to us and to have us there. So, I think we're going to have a really great show there. As we go forward here, I just want to kind of give you some ideas, and Barb will help me out here with what's going to happen now that you register, or will soon register. From now until the event starts, we're going to be sending out a bunch of emails announcing different entertainment, a lot of the big activities we're having, a lot of other information that you kind of need to take a look at. So when you do get these emails, I know sometimes we send out a lot. Take a look at them at least for a moment to see what it says, so you're not surprised if something is going on. Our early bird registration will conclude on June 13th. About a week later, on June 20th, we're going to begin sending out our confirmation packets. So it takes us a little while to do that. It'll show up in an envelope looking kind of like that. Make sure you open that up, check what's inside. What you see here is our confirmation guide. It'll be included in the confirmation packet that you receive. Includes directions and a lot of other really important information that we need you to pay attention to. So please take a look at that book when you get it. We also will include, for the first timers, a little booklet in that confirmation packet as well, specifically for those who are coming for their first time.
Please read this brochure, first timers.
Depending on what you are planning to do at the convention and what you've asked for, you'll receive specific cards to put in your windshield so that when you arrive, the parking team can get you to your lot, get you parked, and get you ready to go as quickly as possible. This card here is for your towed vehicle. We just send everybody that, whether you have a towed vehicle or not. It's just a lot easier than folks having to call and ask about it. We just figure everybody's going to tow a vehicle, so we'll give you one of those that you can put in the rearview mirror so that you can get in and out of the facility without any hassles. A lot of people ask about volunteering, and we certainly are not going to turn away volunteers. It's a lot easier once you go to convention and experience it the first time to know what you'll be able to do on a volunteer basis the next time you go to convention. For those of you who are interested in volunteering, sometimes seminars might be a really good thing for you, because you're certainly going to want to go to the seminars because you're interested in hearing a speaker talk about something. But you can also volunteer for that same seminar, so you can kind of do both things at once. The one thing that I want you to understand is that a lot of people use their GPS, they do Waze, whatever method they use to get around. And I understand that is very convenient, but I do ask that when you're coming to the convention, please use the directions that are included in the confirmation booklet. We'll be working with the police folks up there and our parking team to make sure you're coming in the correct gate, make sure you're coming in down the correct streets. Please revert to these directions to make sure that you're coming in where we need you to come in. It'll make your arrival a lot easier. I want to let everybody know, we've already received some calls about this, and I'm sure we'll get some more. In Minot, they really don't have hookups there. We offer electric, 30 and 50 amp electric to our attendees. There's also the option to 7 to 11 generator or full generator or no generator. It's kind of like going to a NASCAR race or perhaps a large festival. It's not a campground you're going to. This is a large facility with giant parking lots that we're converting into major campgrounds. So really the facilities that you're used to maybe at a campground aren't available. I wish they were. I wish we could do all that, but we don't. What we do offer is septic service and water service provided by local companies up there. They'll charge you a nominal fee to come and dump your motorhome or put fresh water in. There's also dump sites. They have 3 of them on the ground, so you can utilize those as well.
By the way, it is magic in Minot, thus the magician's hat and wand. Anyway, I have a few things to say about this. One thing, we've just getting our surveys back from Perry, and a lot of people said, I just didn't know. I didn't know about this, and I didn't know about that. So we ask you, just please stay on FMCA.com. drop down the events icon and go to Information Central. We keep that updated every chance we get. We will put out a list of seminars that are coming in and things to do in our magazine. We also, prior to your arrival, about 30 days out, we'll put out a digital program. And then once you're on the grounds, you'll receive the big program, and we'll have an app. So in advance, all constantly updating this information. So stay on FMCA.com. We're planning a great event, lots of seminars. The presenters are contacting me already, crafters, entertainment. I mean, we're going to have a really great show for you. So just stay with us and register now and early and often. Anyway, we'll see you in Minot.
Take care, everybody.